simple 4 connections were there. It is already given here. So, but what is the problem? Don't consider the color coding from this side. Just consider the color coding of your wires. By default, what is happened? The same 4 wires comes across: yellow, green, orange, and blue. So there will be connection problems. So consider this value as a 0. It is continuously showing 1192 and here about 65. Consider it as 0. Now you are going to just put some small load on this. It will come 120.81. Again we are going to provide the value. It will show you some 123. So the value, the output is going to be changed. Again you are going to किती पाहिजे 131. Okay. So as soon as you are going to change the weight, the output is going to be changed. The simple thing is that again for the simplicity or for the plotter, again go to the plotter so that you will get the output in the form of graph. जास्त झालं होतं 1.5 किलो मागितलं होतं 2 किलो दिलं 2 किलो पण जास्त आलं अजून थोडं काढून भेटलं actual value 119 nearly equal to 120. This is called as a mini computer. If CPU is unavailable, by connecting this Arduino to the monitor, you can operate your computer. This is the simplicity for Arduino board. So this is one type of CPU which you can use instead of CPU. You are at your. So this is the simple practical for weight measurement by using the load cell. The examiner might have asked you one question: what is meant by load cell? Why it is used? What are the specifications of the load cell? The load cell is basically used to measure the weight. Second thing, it is the specification means what is the maximum load capacity. Here we have taken a 40 kilogram or 10 kilogram, so it can able to withstand the load of 10 kilogram or 40 kilogram. It is having 4 outlet wires, output wires, and for the amplification of the signal, we are going to use amplifier HX7. Everything is given in the manual. Just read that one as a theory point of view. So this will be your simple practical of data acquisition. Sorry.